We're just pulling into town here in St. Joseph, where Ray and Kathy Mueller live. The Muellers have a beautiful front porch, and we're going to help them build a new porch railing. Okay, here we are. This is the house right here, and there's the porch. Just waiting for some rails.
I just had this idea of gentle breezes and lemonade on the front porch.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Hey, Ron.
Hi.
Ray,
Doing
Kathy,
well.
how are you?
Ron.
So this is the porch, huh?
You bet. What we want to do is put up some handrails between these posts around the whole perimeter of our porch, and then also handrails going down the stairways.
Okay. The posts on the front of the porch are spaced just about perfectly. The way we see it, the railing sections can be set in between. On the side, though, we'll have to add a post in the center. So let's start, Kathy, take this. Let's find the center of this deck right here.
Kathy got the dumb end.
I got the dumb end. Okay, we'll give you the smart job then. Half of 130. Come on.
Trick questions again. I went to 65 inches.
All right. Kathy, take your drill. In order to cut a square opening on the deck, we first need to drill a starter hole. Push down.
Surprise!
Forgot to tell you about that. Then we cut out the opening using a jigsaw. Beautiful. Okay, Kathy, drop it in and see if we got a fit there. Okay. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there we go. That is snug. Perfect. Now, Ray, in order to attach that post to the porch framing, one of us has got to go up under here.
Yeah, Ron. Right.
In the spirit of fair play, we should do this with a little game of chance.
Okay.
What do you take?
All right, heads.
You lose. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, right, I lose.
Come on, no welching now. Okay,
I
get up
somehow
under,
figured
get
this
up
was
under
going to
there.
happen.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Once he's underneath the porch, Ray uses a right angle attachment on the drill to bore a pilot hole.
Okay, I'm pretty sure we got that.
Then he attaches the post using lag screws.
Real nice.
Okay, great. All right, guys, here's how I think we should build this railing. If you could just tilt this up for me, Kathy. Ray, if you bring that one up. Okay, this is going to be the bottom rail. Okay, this is going to be the top rail right here. In between, we're going to have several of these pieces here called balusters that we're going to cut to length. So I think that's going to be our next step. Let's cut a bunch of these.
Okay.
All right, Kathy, anytime we're going to cut out, 107 balusters now? We want them all to exactly the same length, 20 inches in this case. This is a great way to do it. We've set up a power miter box here. I've actually secured this to the table with some screws. Over here, a little stop block. So all you have to do is to set the piece of wood in here, put this end up against the block, and go ahead and cut. And then, regardless of whether you're cutting 1 or 2 or 1,000 of these, they're all going to be exactly the same length.
Right.
Okay? Give it a whirl. Here you go.
Okay.
Beautiful. We get ready to start the next phase of the project while Kathy continues to cut those 103 balusters. What we're going to do right now is we're going to assemble the railing. First by screwing the bottom rail into the end of the one end of the baluster. And we'll do all of those. And then we're going to stand it up on end. And we're going to nail on the top rail. Okay, put this on now.
Okay.
All those balusters in place. Kathy, line up. There should be a mark under there. You see it?
Yes.
Okay, just line it up.
Okay.
Okay, then we have to tweak these a little bit to get them to set. Okay. Okay, we're up. We're hot. Now, what we're going to have to do to keep these from swiveling, we're going to need 2 nails in each one because we've only got 1 screw in the bottom. Right. So we'll put two nails in the top.
Boy, Ray.
Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray.
It's the bifold.
Come on, Ray.
Actually, it's the trifold. There we go.
Okay.
Looking great, huh?
There you go, our
boy.
first completed section of railing going in place here.
Exciting.
You guys can put it in together.
Okay.
Both, yeah,
Is it getting?
you have to sort of go in at the same time so it doesn't bind. There you go.
Okay. Hey.
All right.
What a fit.
So what do you think
Wow.
so far?
Oh, this is wonderful.
Great.
Instead of nails, we're using a square head driver bit in our drill and finish head screws to attach the railings to the post. I drilled a small pilot hole here. These are just easier, you know, Getting at an angle like this is not the easiest thing for a lot of us. So this goes in a lot easier.
Oh, man, yeah.
Oh,
No
wow.
danger of splitting the wood. From here on, it's painting and then finishing touches.
You know what painters call those spots that you missed there? It's
What?
it's holiday spots. Because you were on holiday, taking a vacation.
So what should we do now?
Just what we're doing. Sitting and having some lemonade.
Lemonade.
I'll drink to that.
Great.
Hey guys.
Thank you so much.